Okay, we are here shopping for epic vegetable fried rice, Hiro-san.
Right.
Let's show the ingredients.
I got a mushroom, carrots, and 3 different color of the bell pepper, onions, and broccoli, and scallion.
Scallions as well. And a lot of people say, well, if it has egg in it, it's not vegan. But we're not talking about vegan. We're talking about vegetable fried rice.
Right.
A lot of people do want egg in their vegetable fried rice because they're not true vegan. So, welcome back to Hiroyuki Terada, Diaries of a Master Sushi Chef. Hiro-san, how are you? You want to say good afternoon, but
I want to say good afternoon, but look at outside. It's totally dark.
Yeah.
And outside. So, but
yes.
I have to say good afternoon.
Good afternoon to you. Okay.
So we have another great recipe today. Rice.
It's all about the fried rice.
This is a long grain rice.
Right.
Steamed rice already. So basically we're gonna make a fried rice, which you can see everything is vegetable, but here's only eggs, 2 eggs sitting here.
Now,
So-
let's make this clear. This is not a vegan fried rice. This is
Right.
just a vegetable fried rice. When we had the restaurant, a lot of people wanted vegetable fried rice, but with eggs. So
Yeah.
that's what we're gonna do because it tastes much better, and we're not vegan. So let's do it now. Obviously, if you don't like it, then
Of course,
don't
you know,
put 'em in.
you don't need to put the egg if you want, if you don't want to, of course. And then if you add this one, the chicken or shrimp or this, of course, it's okay hot.
Yeah,
okay,
so
too,
much better. I love
right?
with egg.
But today just we just do the vegetable.
Yeah. And one thing I want to point out really quick: fresh steamed long grain rice, guys.
Right.
Don't let people tell you that it should be in a cooler. Use it the next day.
Mm-hmm.
Just don't make it too wet, and you'll be fine. It makes a world of difference.
The only tip I can tell, if you make a fried rice, Japanese short grain rice, after you cook, if you're using after cook right away, it's not so easy. But this is long grain rice. It's more like easy to spread.
Okay.
For making fried rice, in that case, it's
not so
much
sticky.
easier.
Okay.
With this rice. Okay,
So
so
here's son. Let's
all
do it.
ingredients here, you can see the 3 different color of the bell pepper, and then scallion, onions, and avocado. We're gonna do after cook the fried rice. I'm just gonna put on the top. It's kind of additional things. The egg, carrots, the mushroom, and then broccoli. Broccoli is it's already pre-cooked already.
Yeah, you just cooked it. You just steamed it.
It's just timing wise, broccoli is not really cooked in the wok. So let's start
Okay.
cook vegetable fried rice.
Let's do it here.
So first step I'm gonna do chop up all the ingredients smaller. Snap the finger, then everything
Oh my gosh, Hiro. How did you do that?
ready. So quick, ready.
I know you're one of the fastest in the
Yeah,
with the
this
knife,
is I'm going to another Guinness World.
This is crazy, Hiro. How
title
did you
or
do that?
something.
I'm impressed.
just a minute. Second, hand, magic hand. Yes, scallion to here. Oh, this is good avocado. Oh, that's a nice one. Just cut into the dice. Cut. Okay, this one's just keep it here for now. Okay, let's start.
Let's start and let's take a look at everything. You have everything lined up
Yeah,
and ready to
everything
go,
lined up
Hiro-san.
already. Make sure everything's good. Everything done. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, let's
Everything
do
ready
this.
to go.
Okay.
Okay. So now, egg. with the 2 eggs special.
Yeah.
Carrots, onion, and pepper. Mushroom. And rice.
It smells great here.
Smells already great.
Oh, smells so good.
And the salt. And pepper. Then broccoli. Because the broccoli is already pre-cooked already, so and soy sauce. And the sesame oil. And scallion. And fried rice always you can do a little bit tasting before finalize.
How's it?
Yeah, it's good. Just a little bit more salt. That's it.
So quick, so simple. Look at that rice.
Quick, right?
Unbelievable. That color
Yeah.
looks delicious.
I'm gonna use just a little.
This is for the poor cameraman.
No, I'm gonna use the same technique as like last time. Like I think we have done with the isopod, right?
Isopod fried rice. That was a
Fried
great
rice.
video.
I used this one.
Oh, you can make a shape.
Yeah, here's a shape.
Okay.
And avocado on top. Right. Avocado. avocado.
Let me tell you, the avocado with the rice must taste so good.
It's good.
Oh, I'm sure. Because avocado's nice and rich and smooth. Not too overpowering. Mix it with the rice.
There's some fresh onion, a little bit. And this is a little special treatment. This is a dry onion, a crunchy one on the top. This is crispy, crunchy onion. That's it.
Sounds good, Hiro. Well, thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Can't wait to try this. If you guys like this video at home, give it a thumbs up, comment below, share. Don't forget to subscribe. Tell us what you do different to this vegetable fried rice. Thank you so much.
Thank you
See
very
you
much.
soon. All right, Hiro-san.
Yes, best parts. Tasting parts.
Okay, enjoy.
Tasting parts, yes, sure. Yeah, this rice is not bad.
It's okay.
Long grain rice.
Majority of the fried rice is done with long grain.
No, the pepper, the flavor is very strong, and the bell pepper.
The bell peppers? Okay.
I can feel the orange, lemon, and tuna. This is a miracle.
Incredible. All right, let's get some here. Get a good amount here. It's still steaming. Can you guys see this? It's good.
That's pretty light flavor.
Yeah.
Maybe for user made the way too light flavor. You can put a little bit more salt, pepper, soy sauce amount, a little bit more.
But it's so good, so light, like you said, so refreshing.
Right.
I'm okay with the long grain. I think I prefer short grain.
Yeah, long grain is nothing wrong with that.
You know? But it's still good. It's still really, really good.
But this flavor you can eat more. If you way too strong flavor, you cannot.
It's great, Hiro. Really, really good.
The mushroom flavor is also, you can tell,
Yeah,
all the ingredients, the flavor.
everything's good. And the egg, you don't even really taste the egg. It's so little. You guys got to try this at home. We hope you do. Hiro, thank you again.
Thank you very much.
See you soon.